Hello everyone, I'm Old Deng, the Night Demon EXSE version. Because it was rushed, there was no keyboard with particularly valuable reference value. Old Deng basically stopped posting videos. This keyboard has two very interesting features. One is this keyboard, which I confirmed with the customer multiple times. The customer bought brand new products themselves. And then, because of the many changes, I made the SE. But this SE is especially strange. It's just how it feels. It basically goes down to the bottom three in this formation. The formation of the second half has a noticeable scratch, and it was a rather serious scrape. It can still be rushed with this key. Hey, see, no hook. He just went offline and couldn't get up anymore. All the keys have this feeling. This one too. This is pretty serious too. This is probably the only two cases that are quite serious. Basically, all other cases, including major cases, the formation of the lower two-thirds feels like something is rubbing. Then the rub was severe, just like this situation. It just gets stuck right below. Oh, I have to go. This is the first time I've encountered this situation. This is an interesting point. Another interesting point. This switch has never been tested before. The TTC silver shaft is dull. The stability is pretty good, and it's also a light effect switch. Let's try this switch. If you can find a pretty good one, then there's the warming switch or the game switch with mahjong sounds. Later, when we modify the gaming keyboard, there will be more. Another solution. Then let's take a look at the factory setup, how loud and abnormal noises are built. This is considered a normal SE level. However, during use, including the large items, maybe this one will get stuck too. It got stuck too. Well, see? After going down, it won't bounce back. This is the issue with the buttons. This axis has all the issues. Alright, Old Lamp is going to modify it. Alright, the changes are done. As for the specific modification plan, I'll leave it here for now. Let's pause for reference. Another noteworthy part of the modification is the TTC switch combined with the Ice Silver switch. This is a game called Monopoly. And not bad, not bad. Other than the cabinet, there are no major issues. So if you want to build a game switch with low sound later, you can consider using this switch and have a good actual experience. This axis should be just over 2 yuan, and the fully transparent bottom box is the kind that counts as a sheer milk. The gable is fully transparent, followed by a muted shaft. This is quite interesting. After the changes, first. Wait a moment, I'll post a page. After the reforms were completed, that sense of being too lazy is gone. Then let me show you the original audio status. It's a dull switch, which is quite interesting. Finally found a game switch that was about to start, dull and dull. Even if it's a mid-range muted switch, it's not particularly stuffy, so good. Then let's cover the reasons, the state, the noise of major items, and the image. The sound you hear is the sound of rebound. This is why old lamps are not recommended. The reason for the space on PC is the PC space. He is prone to making noise. This has been adjusted for quite a while. The voice keeps laughing when I feel it. Alright, and this video can also share an experience. This experience is that the satellite axis can actually move left and right. When assembling this keyboard, if you use the conceiver, for the creator, if the pressing causes a lack of calculation, for example, if I debug it, this leads to oligo-computational issues, and then oligo-computing can debug the MSI axis. It has space to move left and right, including this part. Maybe it really is an optimization. Later, for example, when making positioning boards, widen the horizontal space of the positioning panel a bit. Then give the WeChat building a left-right movement space. This way, when facing the issue of underbalance, it can be used to move left and right to solve the problem of the small scale. Hey, that's pretty good. This positioning board is the spot where there is a bit of friction, but I can almost always move MSI switches left and right, about 1.5 millimeters away, I think. Almost, then move left and right. This solves the problem of sparse friction. Alright, nothing else. One glance at MOE, AIK341. The modifications are complete. No more typing sounds. See you in the next video. Bye bye.